I can't believe what these AI tools can do now. It's mind-blowing. Want to save hours of work or automate tasks with just a few clicks? All right, guys, let's kick things off with ChatGPT Vision. Holy smokes, this thing is insane. You know how we're always struggling to describe what we want in our thumbnails? Well, forget all that. But wait, there's more. Speaking of visuals, check out Runway ML. This bad boy is like having a Hollywood studio in your pocket. It can generate, edit, or remix video clips in seconds, all from text prompts. It's perfect for YouTubers, students, or anyone who needs eye-catching videos without pro skills. Once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now let's talk about getting stuff done. You know how we're always juggling a million tasks here at the office? Well, Notion AI is about to be your new best friend. This isn't just another note-taking app. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. It can auto-summarize your rambling notes, generate to-do lists, and even write content drafts for you. But what if you need to make a video and you're having one of those days where you just can't face the camera? Enter HeyGen. This nifty tool creates realistic AI avatars that can present your content for you. It's like having a clone of yourself that's always camera ready. Last but definitely not least, we've got Bardeen. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, automation tools are old news, but this one's different. Bardeen is like the Swiss Army knife of automation. It can handle those mind-numbing tasks that eat up your day, like copying data from emails to spreadsheets or scheduling social media posts across multiple platforms. But here's where it gets really cool. Bardeen learns from your workflow. The more you use it, the smarter it gets at predicting what you need. It's perfect for freelancers, marketers, or anyone running a small business. You could come into work and find that all your routine tasks have been taken care of overnight. It's like having a productivity ninja working while you sleep. And there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing AI tools that'll revolutionize the way you work. From creating stunning visuals to automating your workflow, the future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI. So which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech that'll supercharge your work and life.